Those that wish to escape the web it lies should be silent as the moon, or fail and face demise. To the elf in the dark, with their skin as black as coal, come to me, my lovely child, and I shall make you whole. Those that wish to be free to dance and sing, that doesn't see an enemy in all and everything. To the elf in the dark, who has only known bitter strife, come to me, my lovely child, and I shall show you life. Those that wish to be done with all deceit, who have used all trickery but still feel incomplete. To the elf in the dark, who is tired of being prayed, come to me, my lovely child, and I shall guide your way. Come to me, my lovely child, and I shall guide your way.